common mental disorders that we see in Singapore belong to two large categories: anxiety disorders and mood disorders. For anxiety disorders, the common ones are generalized anxiety disorders and obsessive compulsive disorder, while for mood disorders, it would include depression and bipolar mood disorders. Research has shown that 1 in 6 to 1 in 10 Singaporeans suffer from a mental health disorder. This means that it is as common as diabetes. Unfortunately, a lot of people do not seek help early because they are shy or afraid because of what others might think of them. So it's the stigma that prevents them from getting help early. Someone who is suffering from mental disorder would show signs and symptoms. So what we would observe is changes in the way they think, feel, and behave. And these changes are significant enough to impact on their ability to function day to day, as well as the ability to interact socially and attend to social activities. So it's very helpful for us to be able to identify signs and symptoms of common mental disorders. This would allow us to be able to encourage people to seek help early. Just like any other medical condition, treatment will involve taking some medication, learning some self-help strategies to take care of themselves, to also make some changes in their lifestyle, and also to learn some stress management techniques, things that would enable them to be able to cope better with day-to-day life stressors. It would be good for someone who may be suffering from some form of mental disorder to perhaps see a doctor. And this doctor could be at the general practice level or to see a doctor at the polyclinic. If the person requires more professional help, then they would actually make the relevant referral. If the individual needs some form of counseling, then it is good for the person to go see either a counselor in private practice or even go and see a counsellor at the Family Service Centre. Again, they will do the assessment, and if there's a need, they will make the relevant referrals to mental health professionals in Singapore.